So fam, it's Dive and I'm back with another video. So today we're going to be doing a little bit of something different. Still crafty, still me, still you, we good, but it is not clothing. I'm out of breath. The video we're doing today, we're making some wall art, and we're going to be using some things that are fairly inexpensive that everyone can have access to it. And I realized the way that I'm doing, everyone may not have a label maker machine, so I'm going to give you an option of what you could do to also achieve a similar look. So let's get started. Okay guys, so first thing you're going to want to grab is go to your local Dollar Tree. I love Dollar Tree. I'll go to like $5 trees in a day just to see what they got. If one location has something different than the other, just me? Oh, okay. Anyways, so go to your local Dollar Tree. You want to go into the craft section, look for the brand Crafter Square, and you want to look for these wooden squares. They come 6 to a pack, like something like that. Really just simple, right? What you're gonna do is write out all the names that you're wanting to put on your scramble board. Count how many letters divided by 6. 6 per pack, so now you know how many packs you need. Another thing you need from Dollar Tree are these like glue mounting foam tabs. Now, do not put these on your wall. Don't use these to hang things on your wall, because if you want your walls to stay intact after, this ain't for you. But I'm gonna tell you why we're using these. Because one, they're super strong, and we're not putting them on the wall. You're gonna need the most expensive part of the project, depending on where you go. You're gonna need a canvas. So definitely go to Michael's, go to Joann's last. Joann's is high. Go to Michael's, go to Hobby Lobby's, go to Walmart. And what you're gonna do, can I talk? Is you're going to put your squares out, arrange them, make your Scrabble board, and what you want to do is once you have the placement you like, measure how big of a canvas you will need to put those letters on. Now yeah, you can put these letters up on the wall. Do you? I don't want to do that. And plus, I don't plan on growing the names of my canvas bigger than what I can fit on my canvas anyways. Like if this is a board that you plan on adding names to over the years and stuff, then yeah, do it on your wall. But don't use that mountain tape. I didn't tell you to do that. But if you do have a suggestion of a better mounting tape that you can put on your wall that's safe to remove, definitely let me know below. But other than that, guys, you need the letters, you need the mounting tape or some glue if you want to use glue. I'm trying to be quick and simple, and a canvas. And then the most important part you don't need it, but what I'm using a circuit maker, and I have a Air Pro 2, and I'm using it to make the labels that you see here on my letters. I cut these out on my machine myself along with the numbers, but guys, it's just stickers. You can go to Walmart, you can go to Joann's and just buy the pack of stickers to make your letters. Now, does it make it a little bit more expensive? Yeah, but buying my Circuit Air made it a little bit more expensive too, but I paid it off a while ago, so yeah, different options. So let's get started. So here it is on the canvas using the glue sticks.
And me castle. And me castle.
Yes.